So the next scenario is, of course, when the loved one comes home from treatment, and I know you just touched on that a little bit, but and this kind of goes back to a little bit of what you said, that I am so distrustful right now, and how can we ever build trust again, after everything that's happened? How do we do that?
Well, I think it starts with first being honest and acknowledging where you are at this point. At this point, I don't trust you. I'm going to have to see if things have changed. I want to trust you. I'm willing to trust you. But it may take me some time. I know you're all enthusiastic about coming out of treatment and you've got this, but I need to catch up. And so it's really important that you first be honest with yourself about what your real feelings are. Be honest with the other person, but also open your mind to the possibility that you may see the person differently, that you may be able to move on. People move on and have very healthy relationships after treatment, and when people are in recovery. It may be that their relationship is better than it's ever been even before they developed a problem with the addiction. Because most of us don't really learn how life works and how we create our experience, and a lot of what your loved one will learn in treatment is just like an owner's manual for how to have a nice life. And most of us, develop addiction because we don't have a nice life. We're just stressed or struggling or barely surviving, and that's a coping mechanism. It becomes a coping mechanism for a miserable life. But in treatment at Gulf Breeze, you're learning to not just take away the drug or alcohol, but you're learning to rebuild a life that is fulfilling, has purpose, has joy and happiness. So you as a family member need to come along on that journey, and it just takes honesty, openness, and willingness to change, and willingness to receive help.